Kona. Kona, what are you doing? She will chew anything she can get her teeth on. What do you smell, huh? Come on, Kona. Kona. Looks like you got yourself a new toy. Actually, you know what? It is frozen. This thing actually is frozen. I guess it's about right for it to freeze up, but it's weird. Yeah, it's frozen. Oh, yeah, there it is. You can see it. Kona. 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 Kona, come here. Come here. Come here, Kona. Kona. So cute. No. No way. No way. No way. That sounds like what it did when it defrosted last Christmas. Or it might have just shut off, I don't know. See what it does. Holy shit, it's defrosting. It's actually defrosting. I don't know if it's gonna steam, but it's defrosting. This leash so she doesn't run away. I doubt it's gonna steam. I highly doubt it's gonna steam. Oh, is it? I'll be damned, it's steaming. It's already steaming. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's steaming. Well, that was easy. I got my daytime steam show. Nice little steam show. And there is Kona. And it just switched back into the heat mode. Kona, come here, girl. Come here. You want to go inside now? You want to go inside now? Doesn't get any better than that. A puppy and a steam show. And I didn't even have to mess with the thermostat this time. Alright, come on, Kona. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on, Kona. You can keep the stick. Come on. So yeah, that is the 2001 Trane XE1000 5-ton heat pump. I can't believe it actually steamed. It's 45 degrees outside. It feels a lot warmer than 45 degrees outside, and it actually gave a steam show. Wasn't a very long steam show, but it was a steam show. Yep, 45 degrees. I think the one that I got on Christmas Eve last year was better than this one, but I still got a daytime steam show, and I didn't even have to mess with the thing. Alright, come on. Come on, Kona. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, Kona. Come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Kona. No, let's go in the front. Come on, let's go in the front. Alright. So this has been a puppy and a steam show. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.